Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Econo Lodge Inn and Suites Conning. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located just off Interstate 5, this hotel is 2.4 miles from the Rolling Hills Casino. It serves a continental breakfast every morning and features an outdoor pool. Free Wi-Fi access and satellite TV are included in every room at Econo Lodge Inn and Suites Conning. They are equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, and coffee maker and have a seating area. The front desk at Conning Econo Lodge Inn and Suites is staffed 24 hours a day. There is an on-site laundry facility. Guests can buy drinks from the vending machines. The Sevillano Links Golf Course is a 5-minute drive from the hotel. The Woodson Bridge State Recreation Area is 6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.